Good morning, class 6. Today I have to explain the poem The Quarrel. Due to poor connectivity, my voice is not coming in meeting, so I am sending video. Okay, so listen properly. Poem's name is The Quarrel. It is written by the poetess Eleanor Farjeon. Poem's name is The Quarrel. You all know what is the meaning of quarrel? To fight. If we are brothers and sisters, we fight with them at home. Many times it happens we fight for a long time, but later we again became friends. We again talk to one another. We also forgot, if somebody asks to you, if your parents ask to you, before some time you were fighting and now again solution happened. For what you were fighting? That time you also forgot the reason why you fought with each other. It is common for brothers and sisters to quarrel. It is common thing. If you have brothers and sisters, surely it will be sometime quarreling among you, fighting. Although sometimes they may not even be able to say why they quarrel. Sometimes this also happens that they are not able to tell why they are quarreling for. They are so busy in quarreling that they forgot why they were quarreling. But how long do such quarrels last? Now the poetess is saying, can you tell me how long do such quarrels last? For how much time you quarrel? Means which time your quarrel end? How much time your quarrel takes? How do they end? And how you stop your quarreling? Now let's start the poem. I quarrelled with my brother. Now the poetess is describing a girl and a boy who fought with each other, who quarreled with each other. Now by these lines the poetess is addressing a girl. A girl is saying, I quarrelled with my brother. Quarrelled means fought. Quarrelled is the second form of quarrel. I quarrelled with my brother, or we can say I fought. Fought is the second form of fight. I fought with my brother. I don't know what about, but I don't know how our quarreling start, how our fighting start. One thing led to another. At first one thing happened, and by one thing it takes so many things for quarreling. Like this, suppose you can say, he take my pencil, then I fight. Means suppose brother takes your pencil, you want back, he is not giving, then you fighting. Sometimes your father brought chocolate, he gave to both of you, but what happened? Brother eats fastly his chocolate, now taken your chocolate, then you also fight. Sometimes this also happen, mother has given something to you, 2 toffees to brother and say give one to your sister. But what happened? Brother has eaten the both things. And when you know, you begin to fight, while you have taken my share, why you not give to me? Like this matters. Then at first one thing happened. Then this one thing takes the quarreling to another. And somehow we fell out, and somehow we quarrelled. Fell out means quarrel. The start of it was slight. The start of it was slight. The time when we both, my brother and me, both were fighting, the starting of our fight was very slight. Slight means very small. But the end of our fighting was strong. Maybe I was beaten by brother. This also maybe brother was beaten bitterly by me. Bitterly means badly, a great. So the starting of the fight was slight, means small. And the end of the fight was strong, means very big. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. My brother said that he was right, that I am right. He said, no, sister, I am right. and you say, no, no, you are wrong. So in these lines it is said he. This he is for brother. He said he was right, but I knew he was wrong. He means brother was wrong. The first paragraph completed now. Now second, we hated one another. The time when we are fighting, that time we hated one another. That time we feel that from this moment we will never talk to each other. I will not help my brother. Brother also say to me, I will not obey you. I will not do your any work. So much crass. The afternoon turned black, and that afternoon, in which day we fight with each other, that afternoon turned black. What is the meaning of turned black? Turned black means became unpleasant, became bad. Suppose two children are at the home and both fought a lot and not talking to each other. Then you can think, you can guess how a great silence in the house. Like a unpleasant day. So now again sister is saying we hated one another. The time when we fight with each other, after that we hated. We don't want to talk to each other. But what happened? The afternoon turned black. The full afternoon was silent to us. We both, neither my brother nor I talked to each other. The afternoon was unpleasant, bad for us. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. But then suddenly after the afternoon, evening time you can say, my brother came to me. Suddenly means he at once. In Hindi you can say achanak. Came. Then suddenly my brother thumped. Thumped means patted like this. In Hindi you can say sahlana. Okay, my brother thumped me on the back, on my back side. Okay. And said, oh, come along. Oh dear, come along. Come with me. We can't go on all night. We can't remain silent till the full night. It is the correct thing that we fight to each other. We are not talking to each other, but enough happened now. He say, oh, come along. Come with me. We can't go on all night. Means for the all night, we can't live without talking. I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. Now the girl is saying, this time I was wrong. And my brother was right. Why? Because if there are brother and sister in a home, it happens. Sometimes fighting, sometimes a great friend, sometimes fighting. But its meaning is this not that we should not talk to each other. It is a small thing. Sometimes fighting, sometimes playing like a friends. Okay. So if we have brother and sister, it is common to quarrel, common to fight. We should not do like this that from that moment we have to stop our talking. No. Like this poem. What happened here? Sister is not talking. For some time, the full afternoon, they not talk to each other. But what happened when the evening came? Brother came to sister and thumped her on the back by saying, oh, come with me. We can't go on. Means we can't stay for the full night without talking. And when my brother said this, he was right and I was wrong. Why? Because I didn't go first to talk to him. It was my brother who came first to me for talking after the quarreling, after fighting. Now I will tell you rhyme scheme of the poem. Beta, in previous class I told you what is the meaning of rhyme scheme. First we will see the line. I quarreled with my brother. Brother, ra. Okay. So first rhyme scheme will be A. Then about. Different sound come. Then B. Another. Brother, another. Then the previous sound is coming. A. Fell out. About, fell out. B. A, B, A, B. This is the rhyme scheme of the poem. Then next one, strong. C. Right. D. Then again wrong, strong, wrong, same sound. Then strong is C, this will be also C. Then what is the rhyme scheme of this full passage? A, B, C, D, E, D, like this. First word A, then if sound is changed then B, again same sound A, again this one sound about, fell out B, A, B, A, B. The rhyme scheme of 4 line is A, B, A, B. Now next 4 line, A, B, different, ta, strong, ga. Then right, slide, right, again A, strong, wrong, same, B. 4, we will take 4 lines for the rhyme scheme. A, B, A, B, again A, B, A, B. The rhyme scheme of the poem is A, B, A, B.